This is where I used to, this is where I used to type. Like, this is where I used to chat. Fetus, how old was I? 7 years ago? Oh my god, wala. It was 14. 15, 15 pala. I was 15. Oh yeah, other updates. I plan to remove my, as in permanent na, I plan to remove my facial hair na. Permanent. Para fresh lagi. Ang hirap kasi. So, kwento ko dyan, tuwing nag-aahit ako, for yung day na fresh ako, like, it's clean. But after a few hours, biglang mamumula yan. So I need to have it, I'm gonna have it removed na completely. So yeah. Si KD lang may karapatan istorbohin. It's not even disturbing. I'm chatting right now. It's not a disturbance. You don't get it. You don't get it. People don't get it, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna have this removed, yung facial hair ko na. Go to drink. Alcoholic would be sangria, but if it's not alcoholic, I would go for a lemonade or an iced tea. Yeah, guys. Yeah, laser. I'm gonna have it lasered. Wala na. No more facial hair. Mas fresh kasi tignan kapag wala. Pero pag kunwari kailangan, like they need me to grow hair, but wala na, I can't do that. It's not that ayaw nyo, it's more like ayaw ko din. It's like, kasi hirap din kasi i-maintain. Yes, I finished the fruits. Yes, ate, I finished the fruits. Yung mga mangga. Mahilig talaga ako sa mangga, guys. If you give me mangoes fresh, kahit 6 yan, uubusin ko yan isang araw. Mahilig ka pa rin sa pizza. Oo, pero hindi na masyado. Pero medyo binawasan ko na kasi 23, mag-mid-20s na tayo eh. Huwag tayo puro. Hindi pwede yan, yan lang yung kakainin ko. Baka ma-high blood.